This is the unboxing, installation, setup, feature analysis and review of Xiaomi TV 32-inch 80cm. This is one of the best smart TV in budget of 10K segment. If you want to buy a smart TV, then stay tuned and watch the video till the end. This was open box delivery. That's why the delivery agent is opening the box pack, and the operating system of this Xiaomi TV A series is Google TV. And after opening the box pack, you will get the mount instruction and two V-shaped black stand for table mount. Wall mount is not included in the box pack. Now let's see the TV set in premium metal bezel-less design that engulfs your senses and elevates your living room to a artistic masterpiece. Bottom chin is slightly thin and Xiaomi branding is written on this chin. Looks premium. It feels very lightweight in hand. It has 1 year warranty on product and 2 years warranty on panel. This TV set contains two down-firing speaker of 20 watt. This is the physical on-off button. It supports Dolby audio and DTS surround sounds. The energy consumptions of this LED TV is very less, only 50 units per year. This TV set has all necessary ports like antenna and network port, 2 HDMI port, all AV input port, and with also 3.5mm earphone port and 2 USB 2.0 port for pen drive. Now let's look the sleek remote with minimalistic design with quick wake, quick mute and quick settings. These two V-shaped black structure are actually bottom stand for table mount. It can be fitted in this way. I have opted for wall mounting, as wall mounting accessories are not included with the TV set, so customer has to buy it from online or from the technician. I have bought one 4-way wall mount from the technician with rupees 1499. But I will suggest you to buy the wall mount accessories in bundle with the TV set from online. And don't forget to buy at least 4-way wall mount so that you can rotate the TV in different direction with this wall mount. Generally, technician will visit your home within 5 to 7 days of successful delivery. You can track this technician visit in the e-commerce site from where you have bought this TV. And also, you will be notified with the SMS about the technician visit with contact number. You can contact the technician or technician will contact you. So in this way, your installation will be finalized. Mind it, this installation is total free. You don't have to pay any extra cost. Only you have to pay cost for if you buy any wall mount accessories. This is extra. Now, installation of the TV by the technician has been completed. The technician has switched on the TV and first time it is booting up. Then TV will ask you for region or country, select it. Then two options, Google TV or basic TV. Then select the Wi-Fi network. If Wi-Fi device is not available in your home, don't worry. Just switch on your hotspot from your smartphone. TV will be connected with your smartphone and uses the smartphone internet. Now your TV is ready to use. Create Google account to use this TV and manage also here. This is the home screen of the TV and here you will get several menus like movies, TV shows, apps, library and also settings in the right hand side. You can directly reach the screen by pressing the home button of the remote. Navigating to the right side by your remote you will get movies. Under the movie section you will get several movies here. Navigating again right you will get TV shows. Again right, apps. These are the highlighted apps under the apps menu. These are the your apps. Going to the right side of this menu by navigating right button of the remote. You can reorder the apps by pressing reorder menu. Now let's search by voice. Hoichoi. If Hoichoi app is not in your menu, then it will tell you to install. So press the install button. Then the installation will be started. You can see here. After installation, you just open the app. You can see installation has been completed. By installing this app TV web browser, you can use this TV as web browser. Apple. So you can browse any content sitting remotely very easily and effortlessly by this TV. Now let's dive into the YouTube app in this TV. Interestingly, you can enjoy any YouTube video up to 1080p 60 fps without any cable connection or antenna. Just sharing your smartphone's hotspot, you can consume and enjoy all. Great! Now let's dive into another interesting app offered by Xiaomi, that is Xiaomi TV Plus. Here you can enjoy more than 200 plus live TV channels without any cost. Here different type of channels, free channels, live TVs are available from song to movie and news to sports. Top right corner of this menu you will get settings menu. Click on this. Under the settings menu, you will get channels and input, then display and sound. You know this is HD ready display of 60 Hz. Going to the picture menu, you can change the picture mode, backlight intensity and many more. Under the sound menu, you can enable all features of DTS Virtual X. Now let's come to the network and internet. If Wi-Fi of the TV is enabled and the hotspot of your smartphone is also enabled, then you can enjoy internet on this TV. Now, accounts and sign in. In this section, you can add any account in Google and you can remove that account also from here. Under privacy section, you can manage location access, usage access and ads like your smartphone. Under apps section, you can manage both installed and inbuilt apps. You can see here. Under system menu, you can manage date and time, language, keyboard and of course storage. This TV has total 8GB ROM and 1.5GB RAM. Out of 8GB, user can use only 4.3GB. You can see here. Under the system menu, you can also manage the ambient mode, power and energy and cast, of course Miracast. You can easily cast your phone screen directly to the TV by Miracast. Now, remote and accessories. In this section, you can add any type of Bluetooth devices through these options. You can see here I have added my Realme Bluetooth speaker and also my smartphone. You can see here. This is Mi Note 9 Pro Max. This is the wallpaper in ideal mode. If you press and hold the power button for 2 seconds, then several menus will come. These are screen off, sleep mode, restart and power off. You can enjoy seamless music, only music by enabling screen off mode. Xiaomi TV A32 is a dependable, feature-rich smart TV with a good picture quality and an intuitive user interface. It has unibody design, DTS Virtual X for cinematic audio experience. So without any hesitation, go and grab it.